Hi everybody, it's me. Tricky, right? Okay, so today's silly video, I don't think I posted a Monday musing. I'm gonna have to check. So this might be my Monday musing for you guys today. I am gonna show you just some things that just really made me happy. I needed some new glasses. I didn't really, excuse me, I didn't really need a new prescription, but my lenses had become scratched because they put that filter on it, for the sun and light, and don't ever do that. It's always bad. So anyway, I had been looking at this place called Pairs.com. It's an online place to order glasses. I was a little funny about it, but then I found out that America's Best, if you have that by you, America's Best optometry place, you can go there and get your prescription and buy glasses, and they have the Pairs for you to try on. And Pairs has like a lot of different styles. Okay, I'm getting to the fun part. All right, I know these are clear and sort of, but anyway, I'm getting there. So I went and tried these on. This is called the Wanda, this shape. So I actually got essentially eight, I think eight when you count them all. So I've got the clear, and then of course sunglasses. How fun are these? I could have got boring black with black, but hey, they're sunglasses. You might as well have some fun, right? So I got those free when I got my glasses at America's Best. So then I went online and I bought, these are called toppers. So now I went through my wardrobe and I realized that I need, of course, everybody needs a basic black, right? Then I got I can't remember if this is called hunter green or forest green, but I got a deep green because I have a lot of that in my closet. Then I got these gray to black, which I really like these. These are probably going to be my like everyday, nothing matches. None of my other ones match. These match my hair. So I really like these. And then I got a pair that I think these are called Ocean. They go from a light, pretty blue to a darker blue. Fun, right? And then this morning I had a post-op again with my surgeon. So I was wearing a burgundy sweater. So hello burgundy topper, right? Fun. It's so fun. Then I came home and I got out of my nice clothes and I put on a little t-shirt, and it's navy. So navy topper. How fun are these? If you wear glasses and you're like me and you've always been envious of all those people who can afford lots and lots of pairs of glasses, now you don't have to anymore. You can go and get these, and the glasses themselves are really good. My vision is really good. My reading, because these are mostly readers, very good. So okay, now I'm going to show you something else fun that I bought. But I got to flip the camera. So here we go. I don't know how well that works, but we're going to give it a try. Okay, so y'all saw my glasses and my toppers. So this is my cute little ladybug vacuum. I got this on Amazon, and we always have dimensional toppers and little pieces we've cut off. And look, now I can just quickly get them out of my way. I was constantly like licking my finger and picking those kind of things up. Now, my little ladybug, oh, I missed some. There are brushes down here. Let me turn that off. There are brushes down here. So you may find that maybe they got stuck in the brushes and didn't get pulled in, but there we go. And it cleans really easy too. There's ladybugs come in all the different colors. There's all kinds. There was a cow that I almost got. I almost got the cow because it looked like it was eating them. It was so cute. But it was bigger, so I decided to go with the ladybug. Okay, so now, oh, look, I missed a few. Here I'm trying to show you how cool it is, and I'm missing some. All right, so now I want to show you some card stuff. Yes, hello, I'm doing card stuff. I'm not making a card today. I'm just kind of showing you some fun stuff. So on Saturday, I showed you guys this fun kit, right? I have yet to put on my words for the dividers, and the box is over there, but I'm going to show you some fun stuff I did. So there's all these different languages, right, in here. So I was playing around with them, and I cut some of them apart. Let me move that aside and show you what I came up with. So I saved this adorable little exclamation point because, hello, it's adorable. There's a few of those. And then this one, it said just COMME, and I don't remember if there was more, but I just trimmed it so it says, so it can be an invite. So just come. Then this best was there. I think it had more words. There was a joy with more. And then dish with an S. I'm thinking I was hungry, apparently, because I have dish, I have grub, and then hurrah. It's not H-O. I know that. You can fix it. But I just thought, it would be a fun thing to have. So anyway, I just thought that was something fun if you don't need these extra words. Like here, see, there's another joy. So yeah, I just thought it was fun. Oh, there it is. Just whatever that says. So I cut it there, and then I just trimmed these over. So fun, right? Okay. So now let us talk about the cards. So you saw me. I'm going to show you the ones I made that you guys saw. So this is the one that we made, just how Stampin' Up! Said to make it. And I want to show you this little tip. I like to keep the envelopes with it, so I slide it into the envelope, but I can still see it. And then I take the flap and I fold it back. So it can be in my card keeper. And you just fold it back. Nobody can tell. Then I made this one. This has some pieces from the ephemera packs in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. Here's another one. This just uses stuff from the kit, as does this one. And trying to keep them from falling. This one I trimmed. Sorry. So I have the back right here. And that is what's back here. It's also what I used to cut this out. And then I just used some Pool Party to cut this piece out. And I dimensioned it and put it on Pool Party. But then look at this piece. That's the piece when I trimmed this. And I thought, why not? Why not use it, right? So there is all of those from this set. Then we made this one. Did the same thing with the envelope. So I wanted to change that up. Hold on, because they're driving me crazy. They're all over the place. So I made this simple one, best wishes. And then look at this, happy birthday. I trimmed it. This again is the blue from the back. And this is some ribbon that looks very crooked actually right now. That's in the Holiday Mini. It's the Pool Party Pom-Pom ribbon, I believe it's called. And then some more from the ephemera pack. And this one, I just flipped it over. Do you remember me saying I would use both sides? So this piece is from the ephemera, whichever, as is this one. And so I made just some fun alternative cards for you guys with those. And I thought I'd show them to you. Since today is just kind of a show you a bunch of fun stuff day, I will be back tomorrow with some actual crafting for you. So I hope this was fun for you. I hope you're having a marvelous Monday. And again, this is like a Monday musing. And have a great week. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.